Hi, this is Jan, the Success Alchemist, and in this video I'm going to talk about the importance of gratitude and forgiveness in removing energetic blocks, evolving consciously, and increasing your ability to manifest positive outcomes for yourself. And I link the two together because to me they are really inextricably linked. And so let me explain that. When you're unable to forgive somebody, you are really holding resentment and negative feelings and negative energy about that situation and about the people involved in it. And this creates within you a resistance. It can cause limiting beliefs and self-judgment and judgment of others, which is not conducive to positive manifestation. Now, the reason I link these two together is that I believe that everything happens for a reason. And I also believe that we have a higher purpose, and many of the things that happen to us are to progress us in learning and in developing and really ascending to a higher level of consciousness. So many of the things that we judge as being negative are actually catalysts for our development and evolution. That's why I call them evolutionary catalysts. And I've come to realize that even in the most negative or challenging situation, there is a gift. And if you consciously look for that gift, it will shift your whole energy around the situation that happened. And this is where the power of neutrality comes in really useful, because if you can approach each situation that's happened in the past that you're holding blame or resentment or even some guilt about yourself relating to that, if you approach it from the point of view of an observer with detachment, and this is what the power of neutrality enables you to do, because by starting out with a neutral view of what happened, you can then consciously choose whether you continue to wallow in the negative of that situation or whether you choose to look for the positive, even if it might not be immediately apparent. And because of looking for the gift in these challenging situations, when you find it, you're then able to have gratitude for what that gift has given to you. And that is really the core of being able to then forgive whoever was involved in that situation and really just release all the negativity and the energy blocks around it. And so I really recommend that you go back and review over your life all the things that have continued to cause resentment, that you found difficult to forgive, and really look for the gift in those from the point of neutrality. And then that negative view of the situation will turn into a positive, I can assure you. And if this is something that you've been struggling with, I do have a gratitude and forgiveness workbook, which is an exercise you can go through for each incident that has caused you these negative feelings and emotions, and really look in detail for the gift, acknowledge the gift, forgive whoever was involved, and forgive yourself as well for what happened in that situation. And that will release the negativity. It will free you up to move forward, let go of all that negative blocked emotion, and really make a difference in your life and in your ability to manifest. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'd love to have you subscribe and like and share it if you have. And I'll put a link in the description to where you can download a copy of the Gratitude and Forgiveness workbook so you can work through that yourself. And if you would like some help with that, I know it's sometimes better to have an objective, uninvolved person to help you through these situations. You can apply for a free success strategy session. I'll include the link to apply for that in the description as well. So thank you for listening, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.